Unbelievable! There's a game changer channel out there raking in millions upon millions of views with each new video, all without revealing their true identity or authentic voices. What's their secret, you ask? They've used the power of AI to clone the voices of famous politicians like Donald Trump, Joe Biden, and Obama.
Just like I am doing right now.
There won't be any more adventures or any more videos.
No way! Holy crap, I can't believe it.
Casually, this is the end of this channel. No more videos from these YouTubers. No more big competence. And what's happening in the comments section?
The people that are actually sad about this. This was actually the saddest moment in AI history. People who want the channel back. People who cried.
If you don't believe this is a real viral trend, I don't know what will convince you. This is something unique in the content creation. Getting more than 600K subs in just 1 month is insane. So what are you waiting to get thousands of subscribers with this viral trend? Let's jump in. First step, we're gonna grab those AI voices. To do that, we'll need MP3 files of speeches from these presidents. Later, we'll use these speeches to craft custom AI voices. It is important that the speech is not more than 5 minutes long, and that the voice is clear without other voices or claps on it. Now you will copy the link and convert from YouTube to MP3. I am not going to show how to do that, but you may know there are some free online converter on internet. Now you will do the same with the other presidents until getting your 3 MP3 files with all the speeches. Copy the link to convert it to MP3 later. Finally, we will get an audio from Obama. And that's it. We've got our 3 MP3 files that we will use in the next step. Now we will go to ElevenLabs to create the voices, link on the description. To access custom voices, we can use free plan that includes 3 custom voices. But I have paid for the starter plan, which includes 30K characters. Then, we will go to Voice Lab and add generative or cloned voice. Select Instant Voice Cloning. Now it is really simple. We will create a custom voice for each president, we will give it a name, upload the MP3 file we got, and finally you can add some tags such as American Man to obtain a better result. Read this carefully. We got Trump voice. Let's repeat the process with all the presidents. Okay, we got all the voices. Let's try them to see if they are fine.
I am Donald Trump. Hi to all the American people.
Okay, that sounds pretty darn real. Now we need PNG images of all the presidents. Search the internet for high-quality original images. You can find them on specific PNG websites, but I'd start with a quick online search. Now it is time to create the script for our first video. I highly recommend that you create the script yourself because it will be much more original and it will rise the audience retention. However, if you want to automate the process, ChatGPT can help you create script. Just paste a similar prompt to this with the idea you want. Now we go to Canva and select Instagram post design. Now you will come back to ChatGPT to know the location of the video. In my case, it is a sleepover and they are playing video games, so I will search for bedroom background. Now you will upload the PNG images you got and place it like this on the background. Remember that as many different background you add, the video will be much more engaging. Repeat the process with all the presidents and download the images. For the editing, we will use a free software called CapCut. First of all, upload the images from Canva so that you can use them in the panel. Of course, we will need a background for the video. For that, we will use Minecraft that work really well with this kind of videos. You will have to download a video or easier record a video with the screen recorder. This one is great. Import the video to CapCut as well using import button and drag it to the panel to start creating the video. Change the ratio to 9:16, which is TikTok and Shorts ratio. Now select crop button and adjust the correct size of the video. Again 9:16. Now you will go to ChatGPT to know the first dialogue and copy paste it on ElevenLabs with the corresponding voice. In this case, Trump.
All right, folks, it's time to make gaming great again. What game should we play?
Now, import the audio file and drag it to the panel. You can also increase the volume like this. Now select the corresponding image and drag it to the panel covering all the voice length. Place the image in the top of the video covering the half of the screen. Now repeat the same process with all the dialogues. Copy dialogue, get AI voice, import MP3 file, and add image. When you've got all the dialogues ready, we will create automatic captions with this CapCut feature. But first of all, if you are interested on creating beautiful AI captions, stay until the end of the video. With CapCut, we will get all these captions. However, we will need to place them in the middle, change the font and the color. Finally, if you want the captions to appear word by word, just press enter between each word on this panel. It should look like this.
All right, folks, it's time to make gaming great again. What game should we play?
This result is fine. However, if you want to get your subtitles to the top level, you can use Submagic. Link on the description. This AI tool will literally create the perfect subtitles for your video with the help of AI.
All right, folks, it's time to make gaming great again. What game should we play?
How about Super Presidential Bros? I've been practicing my jumping skills, folks.
That sounds good, Joe. I've got some mad skills too. I'm Obamaster at this.
It will also add emojis. Crazy! There are also other kind of style you can use, such as Mr. Beast font.
All right, folks, it's time to make gaming great again. What game should we play?
How about Super Presidential Bros? I've been practicing my jumping skills, folks.
That sounds good, Joe.
If you press on description, you will get an AI description you can use for your video. Finally, we will create a YouTube logo for this kind of YouTube channel. We will go to Canva, select Instagram post, and drag a funny image of one president on the blank. Now, we will search for some gaming headphones to add to the president. But first, we will need to remove some parts of the headphones, so we can use a free online background remover to do it. Adjust the size of the brush and start removing this part of the headphones. Download the new image and drag it on Canva. This white background looks weird, so we will add a black background. Okay, this background is much more attractive. Finally, it is your time to choose an original name. Remember to add something related to presidents, but do not use the same names that have been already chosen. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And comment below, how is your channel doing, and what kind of video you would like to see next. I wish you the best on your YouTube channels, and thanks for watching till the end of the video.